Good evening everyone. Today I am going to talk about ankle ligaments. These ligaments are basically band of tissues which connects our lower leg to the foot. Now these ligaments play a very vital role. What are the functions of these ligaments? These ligaments basically helps in absorbing the shock when our foot is placed on the ground. This also helps in maintaining the stability of our joint. This also helps in maintaining walking while we are walking on an uneven surface. And excessive twisting or folding of the joint is maintained by this ligament and it prevents excessive folding or twisting. It also helps in maintaining the folding of the joint or mobility of the joint. These ligaments are made up of protein and mild elastic fibers. What are these main three ligaments called? Medial or deltoid ligaments. This has four fibrous structure which attach from our lower leg to the foot bones. Secondly, the lateral ligament which is present outside in our foot, basically here. This connects our lower leg from the outer part of our leg, the fibula, to the foot. And the medial ligament or the deltoid connects our inner leg to the foot bones. And the last, called the syndesmotic ligament, is present higher up here between the two bones, namely tibia and fibula. Now these ligaments are really important and we need to maintain the health of these ligaments. To maintain the healthy ligament, it is important that we exercise, we stretch and regularly maintain the health of the ligaments by taking healthy diet. Tomorrow I will be discussing about what might cause injury, what are sprains, and how to prevent it. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video and follow my videos. Thank you.